Yup, guys. Welcome to the Gamescom watch along. Wait, should I flip my camera? I should. Hold on. Let me unmute this shit. There we go.
Discover the source of the anomaly and the hyperspace attacks and stop it once and for all.
Hold on, let me stop it from lagging. Ah!
I know we were expecting a simple shakedown cruise. Many of you are feeling overwhelmed.
This is actually the speed that it's supposed to be played. Ah!
I have no doubt.
All right, we're good.
We will succeed.
Yo, the original Yowie mode is back for a limited time, guys. Use it while you can.
Enemy strike craft coming in fast.
Hold on. Hi, everybody. Happy Tuesday.
Balls.
Happy balls. Okay, excellent. There we go.
My name is Imogen Sajid.
My name?
I must be more than a scientist. I am.
Sorry, let me just freaking put everything in place here. And pray nothing explodes. Yeah.
And that is it. That's all I have.
I'm sorry,
for
what was he
here
showing
in
us? This is like the pre-show, so like literally nothing matters.
Gamescom opening night live is now mere seconds away.
Mere
from starting.
seconds! All right,
Thank
we're
you
in.
so much for hanging out.
Okay,
with
fellas,
me here
Gamescom.
on my incredibly
I'm gonna do a
cozy
prediction.
couch.
Good morning.
Enjoy the show.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Hold on, let's do. Okay, we're in. They're loading. 18 plus this. Why is it so yellow? Will they say soda? Hey! Boys, they know us. Jeff Keighley. Guys, hold on. There's a prediction up right now. Feel free to do it. Will they say the word Xenoblade at all today?
Hello, Germany, and hello, everyone watching.
Hello,
live
Germany.
around the world. I am Jeff Keighley, and
Sorry, up in the
welcome
quality.
to the world's biggest in-person
World
video
premiere,
game event,
world premiere.
Gamescom 2023.
Woo! Xenoblade. 18 plus. Guys, they're gonna show
this
some crazy
right here
shit.
is kind of like the opening ceremonies for Gamescom. It's a preview of this year's most anticipated.
We should have done a prediction
games.
if they showed
We
Cock and
call
Ball.
it Opening night live, and over the next 2 hours, you'll
Good
get
morning.
exclusive new looks at titles like Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3,
Modern-
Alan Wake 2.
They're on
Assassin's
3 now?
Creed Mirage, and Mortal Kombat 1. But
Whoa,
first, we're
the
gonna
first
kick
one.
Things off with the first new franchise in more than 2 decades from a legendary game studio. And to help us step into the vast world of Starfield,
Moron.
please join me in welcoming the
Starfield!
composer of the game,
Oh my God,
Ivan Zur,
Todd
for a
Howard?
very special performance.
Holy
Lights
shit! What? They have music in this game? They're stepping it up. Holy shit!
Hideo Kojima.
Get Jeffed. Okay. Whoa. There's like somebody like hyper analyzing the start screen for Starfield, and they're like, dude, it's just this company's so lazy now. Maybe he was right. This is beautiful. Who's gonna pirate Starfield? I can't confirm or deny. Dude, this month is crazy, man. Bomb Rush Cyberpunk, Armored Core, Star Ocean. Hideo Kojima. I am now working on VTuber game. Hollow Cure 2. True. This is crazy because like none of us recognize this. This is a new song. I can't sing along to this song. I don't know this song. This is new. I don't know shit. What if we play Conception instead? You guys have been mentioning Conception a lot.
Wing stop eating.
Wing stop eating. Starfield. Part bus. This is awesome. Yeah, me just quiet as fuck. Not knowing anything about this fucking game. This is awesome. This is gonna be great when I play it.
Hungry, hungry hippo.
Did he also play piano for this? This is awesome. This is in-game graphics, by the way. This is what graphics will look like in 2013. This is awesome. This is graphics on the Nintendo Switch 2. Holy shit! They added 4 more gigabytes of RAM.
Crisco bathing.
That's all it took. Crisco bathing.
Share crusher.
Share crusher. Flubber. Sorry. Flubber.
Butterball.
Butterball. Oh my god, sand. I feel like none of this is gonna happen in the game. This is the rare geode biome, not to be confused with the geo biome. The geo biome would be filled with anime women. The dramatic orchestral version of Rocket Man. I'm a Rocket Man. Please do not say these things. I'm sorry. I need to fill time. Crowcat eating this up right now. What what the Starfield trailer look like in game?
Thank you so much for that.
This guy didn't even look real.
Really appreciate you coming all the way.
Yeah, shout out to the piano guy. You did good piano, man. You did good piano.
It's true. In just over a week, fans will start to play Starfield.
How long is the show? I don't know. I feel like Gamescom is like a longer one. So at least an hour, I'd say.
Don't be jealous. I'm not allowed to say anything about it. Yes, exactly. All right. Well, guys. Okay. Thank you very much.
Oh, my. Oh, no,
Really
dude.
Disappointed.
No.
That's just so
No.
disappointing. This is such a special night for so many developers.
Oh,
It's really
no,
disappointing to see
not
something that
again.
way. But we're going to move right on with the show. We've got a lot of great games.
Bro, he was
today.
talking about GTA. He could have been talking about
So
Xenoblade.
Sad to me to see something like that happen tonight. We're here to celebrate games.
Bro, do they not have security?
So, without further ado, I want to move right on with the show because we've got a lot to show you. And the good news, Gamescom, is we have someone very special here who can be here to talk about Starfield. Please join me in welcoming to Opening Night Live.
So
at Gamescom
awkward.
For the first time ever, one of our industry's greatest creators, the director and executive producer of Bethesda Game Studios. That's right, Todd Howard.
Dude, they didn't even wait for Todd Howard to be out. Imagine saying GTA when Todd Howard is out. Boom. That's 10% more value. Holy shit, what a powerful young man. He's so fine. I want to talk to him about
Thank you so
Skyrim.
much for coming all this way to Gamescom. We have a lot to talk about with Starfield, but first of all, is this true? This is your first ever time at Gamescom?
This is my first Gamescom, and you were right. You said how great the crowd is here.
Bro was asleep when the thing happened earlier. I respect it.
And just all the fans that come here for the biggest convention in gaming to celebrate games. And I figured, it is our first new franchise in over 25 years. So if I was going to come, it's for Starfield.
Well, we all welcome you to Gamescom in Germany, and we're all very excited to step into this new world, Starfield, and the next week, early access. Set up for people, why did you want to make this game, Starfield? Why did you want to create a new world?
I think like a lot of gamers out there.
Yeah, there'll be a
dreamt of
Skyrim
game
biome, that's
where
why.
We looked at the skies and we can blast
What's
off
Gamescom?
into
It's like the
space
Game
and
Awards, but it's
explore.
named
We love
different.
to make games where we can explore these worlds. We've done like with the Elder Scrolls and the Fallout series, but we wanted to do
I actually
something
don't really
brand
know.
new
It's like a
where you can
5-day
explore
event, but
complete
they have their,
freedom in the galaxy. It's a game we've always
They have their
wanted to
little
play
show
that,
here at the beginning.
We think a lot of people wanted to play as well. It's kind of that dream. game.
European E3. Yeah, that's a good way to
Wish I
put
could
it.
Talk about it, but it's quite an experience.
But the thing is, you have to be European to go there, which is like, ugh.
You did bring some stuff to Gamescom to show to fans. I know there's a theater. Tell us. I know you.
Do they have any good games here? Yeah, they're about to announce Celeste 2. It's gonna be sick.
When they play it, what did you bring here?
But they gotta talk about
Yeah,
Starfield
it's really
first.
cool. We've built a 300-person seat theater where we're actually
5-day event
showing
with
the
no
beginning
Xenoblade.
of the
That's not
game.
necessarily true.
You
Okay,
start
the
out as a
predictions.
minor and you touch
The
this
predictions here.
artifact that affects you in some way, where you see a bit into
Jeff is
space-time,
European?
and then
No,
you get
but
to
they-
create your
they-
own
they
character. Our
flew him
games
out,
are about
actually.
creating and being whoever you want, and then you're off
They
on
had
an
the
adventure.
budget for that.
Yes. Let's talk a little bit about this adventure. I know.
You guys think this game's gonna be good?
Kind of what the main quest line is going to be after you create your character.
Do you think this game's gonna have?
I saw even someone on the internet.
Oh, minus 500. Sorry, bad roll.
I see a lot of things.
You guys think this game will have a battle pass?
Sure, that's real.
Well,
Oh,
the thing is, I think you could literally create, whoever you want, and then enroll yourself.
Super
in the
Smash Brothers
adventure.
6?
And tell us about sort of how the adventure starts. What can we expect?
Well, you jump off.
They listed a bunch of games that they're going to talk about, but none of them really excited me. I'm hoping for one good surprise announcement. Mortal Kombat 2.
The story goes a lot of places. The game has a lot of surprises.
I saw frame drops.
I don't want to spoil
Dude, my
them
computer
here.
is held up by strings
But
right now,
really,
dude.
really happy with how the
Elastic
story turned
bands.
out and where it goes.
Yeah, it's
Me when new
it's
game with
such an
epic
epic
graphics, but it's
experience,
boring as hell.
and
Yeah,
you
I
and
just
your
hope it's
team
not
have
boring
done
as
so
hell.
much for this industry, and the fact that you guys have worked through COVID building this and coming on the other end, we're so excited for everyone to get a chance to play it. So thank you for all you've done for our industry, Todd. Everyone, Todd Howard.
Thank you. Can't wait for you to play the game.
Thanks so much, Todd.
Can't
Really
wait to
appreciate it.
play it too.
All right, well, tonight is largely focused on announced games, but we do have a few surprises along the way. And next, it's time for the global reveal of the third installment in a franchise that is very familiar to Gamescom
Xenoblade
fans.
3.
Here we go.
Wait, what's this third installment? Oh, it's Modern Warfare. Oh my god. Can we stop being? Wait, never mind. Oh, I know this company. This is Silksong. Holy shit, guys! They really upped the graphics on Silksong. They made it 3D. Pac-Man. No way. What the fuck? Little Nightmares. Dude, I've had enough of these walking around games with stuff happening in the background. That's not FNAF. Oh, that kind of... Okay, FNAF vibes from that big fucking baby thing. Goo Goo. That's like every game. Yeah, games need to like relax. Oh my god, this is landfills and pollution. A little bit of a meta commentary on planet climate change. I'm picking this one up. Guy who's only played FNAF. This give me security breach vibes.
3. And joining me now are Corley and Lucas.
Where's
from Bandai
Yoshi?
Namco to tell us more. Lucas, thank you so much. It's great to have you back
Little
here
Nightmares
at
just got
Gamescom to announce
huge.
Another Little Nightmares.
Thank you, Jeff. Yeah, it's really great to be back. We're very excited to announce Little Nightmares 3 tonight. The franchise has a long history with the show. I mean, that's where we announced the first 2 games. So for us, it was definitely the best place, best show.
Oh,
to reveal
I thought he had like a
Little
band-aid on his head, but it's just a
Well, we
reflection.
appreciate you bringing us this news. It looks incredible. Corley, I see we saw 2 characters in that reveal trailer. Can you tell us a bit more about them?
Yeah, sure. Hi, Jeff.
Sorry.
Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here to
Hello.
present you Little Nightmares 3.
He's that bald. I mean, okay, there's 2 types of bald. Like you can be shiny bald or you can be like
as you have
matte
seen, you
bald.
have
You know what I
2
mean? Like
characters, but now you have 2 players as well.
Like a
so
matte
you'll be able to
texture.
play both in
Like, he
single
went
player
shiny,
or
and I
online
respect that.
co-op if you want, and face your childhood fears with a friend.
this guy looks like he would have been a crazy Blues Clues host
I
back
saw
in
a
the
lot of cool
day.
new places in the trailer. Can you tell us a bit about sort of
You think
the
if he
setting
like
for
when he
these
started
characters?
going bald, do you think he would have left the show? Or would he stay? You got subnotice on? Yeah.
Cluster of disturbing
Yeah.
places, and they will have to
Yeah.
work together, survive in a world full of dangerous threats and full of delusions. And they will also have to find a way out of the nowhere. So yeah, I can't wait to have you put your hands on the game in
I like
2024.
her hair.
Excellent. We don't have to wait too long. 2024.
Where do I put my bald normal
Because
man?
I know that's not all because you're kind of expanding the Little Nightmares world with something more. Tell us a bit about that tonight.
Yes, we have one more surprise. So in addition
Sister
to
location?
revealing
Yeah, that one
Nightmares
was good.
3, I'm very excited to announce our first podcast series.
Podcast?
It's called The Sounds
Guys,
of
should I start a
Nightmares,
podcast?
and it's an original story. It's
Wait, I
composed of
did. Yo, Gio?
6 episodes.
When's the
We're
first
releasing
episode?
The first 2 episodes tonight. So you can
Fleo
go on our
podcast,
website,
PodChamp?
thesoundsofnightmares.com to check it out, and we hope that our fans are gonna enjoy it.
Awesome. All right. Well, we're very
You guys are
excited
not
to have
gonna. You
more.
guys aren't
Thank you,
ready for
Lucas
the
Scarlett.
Patreon
Little
episodes, man.
Nightmares 3.
Where we tell all.
Next, it is rare
Where I
that a
reveal
studio
all.
reveals footage that takes over the internet. That happened back in 2020 with the reveal.
Know you play
of
Sister
Jack
Location? I watched
Wukong
Markiplier
Game
play
Science
like for an
in
episode.
China.
Wukong!
Based
All
on
right,
the
Solid is
classic
popping off.
16th
Solid Street in the
century
chat.
Chinese novel, Journey to the
Doing
West.
backflips.
Here is a brand new look at the gameplay of this incredible action RPG.
Okay. They put Monkey in this game. And I ain't talking Luffy. Is this Dragon Ball? Low-key? League of Legend vibes. Oh. Hey, no head? Head? I'm fucking with this. This goes hard. This the shit I be on when I'm playing as Wukong. Whoa, his outfit's crazy, actually. He's got swag. What the hell? Whoa. The designs are cool in this. Ooh. Yeah, this game's gonna be cool. This game was literally made for Solid. I don't know how you ended up, like, fucking making them do that for you. Do they have plunging attacks? Tony was fucking up that tomato soup. That's a cool fucking boss. Ooh. Oh shit. Now he go in monkey mode. This is cool. Yeah, it's, I don't know. That's just, I like this. I don't know what company is behind this. Nah, you always gotta take a second. With the OG. Rotbart. Yeah, Rotbart prologue story. What is it? Ew. I didn't like that. I don't like when they inject things into like an amoeba. It makes me uncomfortable. Is this why it's 18 plus? Don't forget, guys, this is an 18 plus show. They're gonna, oh, what the hell? Okay, okay. I get it now. Ooh. Nah, the Canadian healthcare ain't worth it. Yeah, big Kirby vibes. Amiibo. Holy shit. The things we do to see HoloLive in VR. Me enrolling in Maid. What is this? Is this Doom 3? Killing Floor? Okay. Bro, just walk. How did you predict that? Wait, that's insane. Wait, what the fuck? I just noticed that. Hey, what kind of mobile game is this? Nah, Clash of Clans on Xbox? Reimagined for Xbox. I don't know what game this is unless I see like a little icon of a guy screaming. A vaguely Pixar-esque character screaming. Grah! Raid Shadow Legends. I feel like the strength of this is not when they zoom in. Oh. Let me try to catch up. Hello? All right, we're caught up. Make history your story. I feel like, you know, when games like they have like a cinematic instead of the gameplay to hype up the I think this is one of those games that's Crisis.
What a great
Thank you for the 5
surprise.
months.
Age of Empires 4 Anniversary Edition, an award-winning game on PC, is now available on Xbox consoles.
Xbox.
Today. That's right. All right, next up, we have something extremely special for you. We have one of the most iconic filmmakers of all time in the house. The director behind the legendary films.
I didn't see yours in the chat, Ryan Time, so
Man of
something's
Steel
probably
and
up.
Army of the Dead. He's come all the way to Gamescom to talk about his new film, Rebel Moon, which is on Netflix December 22nd. Gamescom, please give a warm welcome to the one and only
He's
Zack
come?
Snyder.
Zack Snyder is here? The Snyder cut in the Gamescom? Why does he have so much swag? Movie con? No, he's gonna announce the new Batman game. Batman Surfer. Rebel Moon on Netflix.
Zach, I know you had to come a bit of a ways to get here to Germany. Thanks for coming to Gamescom.
Thanks for having me out, Jeff.
What?
Thanks, Gamescom.
Thank you, Gamescom. This is my Netflix show anyways, for Gamescom.
This is awesome.
My show
Wow.
for
What a great
Gamescom.
crowd. It's insane.
Bro's he's only been behind the director's chair. He's never seen a
I'm
crowd.
happy to hear. I know you've been a gamer for your whole life.
Yeah, I've been a gamer, and
I've been a gamer anyways. Here's my show.
That blew my mind, and so we were like, yeah, let's go check them out.
He
And I thought
gamed
I'd come over
once.
here, and
I played
this would be a
Mario
great
Brothers.
opportunity to talk about my new
I've been
project,
stepping on
Rebel Moon.
Goombas.
Maybe show you guys
Koopas.
something. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe after
Fight
we'll
at
premiere
this
the
guy.
trailer, which is coming up.
I'm a gamer. I'm a gamer.
Moments away.
Moment?
Okay, well,
All right.
Let's kind of roll it back, though.
All right.
Talk about this IP, Rebel Moon, and it's really a whole
Nah, I'm kidding.
universe that you've created. We're going to get into that in a minute. But what was the original inspiration for creating this new world?
I was always a fan of, team building movies, Dirty Dozen, Magnificent Seven. And also I was a huge fan of this adult illustrated fantasy magazine called Heavy Metal. And I was, everything in there just blew my mind. And I really loved
Rock
how intense
on.
it was and how crazy it was and the worlds that it introduced me to. And so I thought, this is a chance. And my
Snyder cut for this show will be 5 hours long instead of 2. Yes. I want extended ads. I need it.
Quite the cast, and I know Anthony Hopkins.
Yeah, Hopkins plays this robot, amazing robot.
Chainsaw
and
Man
it's an
knockoff.
insane ensemble, and of course,
Dude, this isn't even trending on
Sophia
Twitter,
Boutella
unlike
is really the
Chainsaw
heart of
Man.
the movie, and you'll see her just kicking ass through the entire film, so it's fun.
Film?
And what I love about, you'll see it in just
She's awesome.
seconds, but there's even more
Thank you.
than just the films.
We needed
and
this.
Part of the reason we wanted to have you here at Gamescom is I know you're kind of expanding on the films with a whole universe of things that are going to be, narratively linked to what you're doing. With
Like
the movies.
games?
Tell us a bit about what's in store.
Yeah, we're also super excited to reveal that we're making a video game for Rebel Moon.
He
and
is
the
a
game we're developing
gamer!
with The Super Evil Megacorp, and it'll expand the Rebel Moon universe.
Oh,
It takes place,
okay. He
like,
belongs here. No.
right
He's
after the events
valid.
of the two
He's one of
movies.
us.
And it really is I've been talking with those guys and really interacting with them. The ideas they have and the way the game's going to expand the universe is just unbelievable, and I'm super excited about it. You'll be able to pick your rebel and then go on missions, and it's like
What?
1 and 2 players in a co-op.
Okay, you can pick your rebel and then go on missions?
A bunch of other crazy ideas inside the game.
Okay,
so
this guy, all right, you know, all right, innovation. You know what, Zack Snyder? Yeah, nah, this is badass. This is actually crazy. Wait, hold on, write this down. Rebel Moon, made by Super Megacorp. Wait, Super Megacorp.
So this little
So that's what they're
trailer
up to.
we put together, a little tease of the universe. So I
Never mind.
hope you guys enjoy it. I can't wait for you to check it out right now.
Let's check it out. The world premiere of the trailer for Rebel Moon. Zack Snyder, everybody.
Thanks, guys.
Netflix. We've raised our prices. Okay. Ooh, I like these gloves. Interesting.
Do you know the story of the Princess Issa?
Dark Plagueis the Wise. Dude, big Dune vibes.
In myth, she was called the Redeemer.
Is this
It was
Star
said
Wars?
This child would stop the
Vote
march
skip?
of war. She was to usher in a new age of peace and compassion.
No! That was like one of my favorite statues.
Loyalty to a king I cannot serve. And love for a child I could not save.
Bong!
What do you think they want?
Everything.
I found her. A Scargiver.
I am a child of war. I was taught that love is weakness.
People tuning into Gamescom being like, damn, the graphics crazy.
There is a difference between justice and revenge.
There is a price to pay for your defiance.
What if the camera panned out to show that this whole show was taking place on a deceased Titan named the Bionis, though? Thoughts?
I do love this part.
Okay, I would be interested.
I don't want no trouble.
I don't want no trouble.
Are you ready?
Do I know that guy?
And I boast no fear. Let's show them that we're not afraid. Let's show them we are more than the shackles that bind us.
Yeah, this Unreal Engine crazy. Whoa! It's Peter Griffin.
The king is a man.
That alien looked fucked up. Sorry. That was a fucked up looking alien. I don't know. I'm sorry that's offensive to the alien community. That's a fucked up looking alien.
The time has come for all that you love. Protect each other and show them no mercy.
This is a long ass trailer. This is crazy. This is a movie. This is at least 8 games of Tiger Tiger.
Who among you is willing to die for what you believe?
Snyder Cut trailer. Oh fuck. What are your guys' thoughts on the font? It's so like industrial. Wait, it's in parts? Bro's already got it in parts? Bro couldn't even release a Snyder Cut of his what? I'm sorry, I had to release him too. He's gonna Snyder Cut this, dude. There's gonna be the extended both parts in one version.
That looks insane. I cannot wait to play that game.
2010 asphalt. That's the impact font.
Is very long awaited.
It is very
Sometimes
Avengers Core.
when things do come to
Among?
those who wait. It's been a number of years since we last heard an update on Crimson Desert, the new open world action.
Where are my
adventure
Black
world
Desert
in South
fans?
Korea. Well, that changes tonight because the team has prepared a very
Dude, we saw
special
the Crimson
gameplay
Desert
update
release trailer like 2 years
to share
ago.
with the world first. Here at Gamescom.
It's been
Enjoy.
so long. So this is their like single player RPG game. With like definitely not Jon Snow. This is like Final Fantasy 16 if it was funded on like through Gachapon. They deleted my account. You should have changed you should have transferred servers when you had the chance, man. They released 2 emails. Why is the camera so jittery? I don't know. It is very jarring. Maybe that's like their combat thing. It seems normal now. It's just like, it just looks like you're in like this is what Black Desert looks like. Like the NPCs, the world, it's the same. Was she saying something? Did you guys hear that? There was there was like a very like, she's like my father. Dude, this is just Black Desert. wait, they got fish. Okay, hold up. They got better fishing. They got first-person fishing. Never mind. I'm buying this. I already pre-ordered it. I got collector's edition. I got the vinyl. It's over. I already got it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Pick up a cat. Hot air balloon gameplay. The Nether. It's just like Minecraft. Tree. That's it, just tree. Wait, it's Assassin's Creed. They put Assassin's Creed mechanics in the game. This game will sell 1 billion copies. Forspoken. Dude, it's the same horse mechanics as Black Desert. Yo, oh. Whoa. Okay, that's new. That's interesting. You can climb an ent? Zelda! What the fuck kind of boss is that? Okay, this looks a little interesting. You can throw the guy. This game looks like it has a bit of everything. Yo! Quick time event. Oh, that dragon looks crazy. What the fuck? Reed Devil? Ain't that in Chainsaw Man? My PC running this shit. Whoa, what the fuck? Why is it Minecraft? Wait, this is like, wait, whoa. Okay, come on. All right, that's a little. Are they putting every game into this game? Like what the fuck? Like, come on, like, dude, what the hell? Like, that was a little shameless. It's like, what if we had Tears of the Kingdom Island? Ice-T!
My favorite game in the world, Payday, and I have my own special heist mission in Payday 3. And you know, I know a lot about heists in real life, all right? It launches September.
He's incriminating himself.
Here's a world premiere. First look.
World premiere? You guys know what to do. You guys know what to do.
The components are kept in high security cooling containers somewhere in the storage yard. The clock starts ticking as soon as the components are out in the open. So you need to haul ass to get them to the transport. Take too long, and they'll start to degrade and lose.
Roger Wilson?
Now, do what you need to do to get ready. I'll see you on the other side.
They did have Gus Fring, right? Dude, did you guys see they have Nicki Minaj now in Warzone? You can be Nicki Minaj with like a pink gun. I don't play Warzone, but that almost got me. This is pretty epic. Didn't they announce like a new Payday? Or am I crazy? I thought they announced Payday 3. Or 4, I don't fucking know. Barb's eating good. Pull up in the Tonka. Sri Lanka, you know what I'm saying? Baghdad! Yo, fly-in captions be like, is this Assassin's Creed? A Ubisoft original. I think I was correct. Oh, that is Payday 3. Sorry, the graphics look like Payday 1.
قضيت الكثير من طفولتي في هذه الشوارع.
This looks just like Crimson Desert. No, for real. Dude, what? Imagine once we see this dude climbing. Whoa.
كنا نتسلل إلى بيت الحكمة في صغرنا أنا وصديقتي نهاد.
Walaikum salam, my brother.
ذكريات جميلة صارت كريهة الآن. قلبي يتألم لما حدث لهم.
This is real as ooh, what the hell? Ain't that one of the helmets in the Elden Ring?
وها أنا ذا مستتر يتهيأ لإعادة النور إلى أحلك أركان المدينة.
Crimson Desert if it was awesome. True. Yeah, is this coming out in 2 parts?
إني أبعد نصلي عن الأبرياء وليس عن تنظيم القدماء.
Whoa, they got those? They had those back then? They had the flamethrower pot?
لننهي هذا الأمر.
The environments look nice. Mirage. Poggers.
There you have it, Assassin's Creed Mirage, which marks a return to the Middle East for the series, offering an immersive and authentic experience featuring full Arabic voice acting, as you saw in that trailer. You
That's pretty cool.
Transported to 9th century Baghdad when the game launches on October 5th. Big month in October for game releases. Now I would like to introduce you to our
movie.
co-host tonight for ONL. Please welcome Jasmine. Hello, Jasmine.
What's up, Jasmine?
Thank you, Jeff.
What's ONL?
Thanks for having me. And hello, everyone. I'm so excited to be with all the fans here at Gamescom this year. And I have the honor to be your guide for tonight for all those great things happening right here at Gamescom. And
woo!
And if
Slay.
you can't join us in Cologne this year, don't worry. You never have to miss
Yo, thanks for the
any
follow.
events this week. Just go to Gamescom now to discover what the world's gaming industry has in store for you. And if you're
Xenoblade?
ready to vote for your favorite games, then visit now.gamescom.global and cast your vote for this year's Gamescom Awards. The awards will
There's
be
Gamescom
celebrated
Awards?
this Friday at 3 p.m.
There's an award show?
Join
I didn't
the
know.
adventure and win pretty cool prizes in this year's Gamescom Epics. Then go to the Epic section of Gamescom now to play the
Let's
text
head to the
adventure
Epic section.
of the show. You can also enjoy all-day coverage and tune in to Gamescom Studios broadcasts by IGN on Twitch or YouTube. Just join the conversation by using the hashtag Gamescom 2023 online. Plus, there will be more announcements from the largest indie area in the world.
Why are they so far apart? Yeah, they pan the camera like 7 fucking miles away.
PM. And later this week, tune in to the Gamescom Studios broadcast and check out the Gamescom Cosplay Awards live from Cologne, Germany on Sunday at 3 p.m. I highly recommended this section. So check out Gamescom now for all those fantastic
Oh yeah, this is held in
features.
Germany. I forgot.
Thank you so much, and back to you, Jeff.
Thank
Oh,
you,
what? There's more
Jasmine.
people. Where'd they come from?
Well, now
Who
I'm
are these
joined by the
folks?
one and only Harada-san, the creator
Oh,
of Tekken.
Tekken
and Michael, the producer
8.
of
Okay,
Tekken.
Pog.
You guys have come all this way from Japan to deliver something special to
Yo.
Gamescom. What do we got, Harada?
Show me Yoshimitsu, man.
バトルシステムの話ばっかりしてるので、今日は
I love his dress shirt.
新しいモードの情報を持ってきました。
So up until now, we've been mostly showing off the battle mechanics and new gameplay, but today we have an all-new mode to show you today.
はい、ですね、鉄拳はもち
Yeah,
ろん
the drip is
今回も
crazy.
三島さん
I like how the
の描いた
translator also is just wearing a random ass like
鉄拳
Tekken
の壮
shirt.
大なストーリーモードはあるんですけども、それ以外にですね、もう特に欧米では、失われてしまったアーケード体験の、ストーリーが体験できる、プレイヤー中心のですね、ストーリーモードっていうのを、最新の AI ラーニングシステムを使って、すごい臨場感のある
That's when Kazuya throws his dad off a
楽
cliff.
しめるような、そういう新しいモードをちょっと今日はお見せしたいなと
Love
思い
that
ます。
scene.
Of course, Tekken 8 will have the story mode covering the Mishima storyline and the arc that the players
Mishima
expect,
storyline, let's
up until
go.
now. But this brand new mode is kind of the story that
Classic little
focuses on
W.
you as a player, and it covers the arcade scene, which is a classical atmosphere that people our generation actually got to experience firsthand, but maybe some of the newer gamers out there haven't. So this will cover that. As you progress through that storyline, you'll experience some all-new gameplay that actually has some AI kind of infused learning aspects to it.
Huh?
And it's really exciting, and we hope that you'll enjoy it.
All right, well, let's take a look at the brand new trailer for Tekken 8.
Okay,
Thanks, guys.
okay. Let me see some punchy. The game looks really pretty.
Going somewhere?
Yes!
King! 32. Wait, that's actually a lot. Yeah, 32 on release. I mean, I don't know if that necessarily means on release. Maybe. I guess so.
Let's go.
32 is less than normal than like compared to the other Tekkens.
Willst du im Sparring gegen mich antreten?
Oh my god! Was that German? Yoshimitsu! My goat! Nomu, Nomu, Nomu. Oh, I like the little avatars. Wait, let me see their face. Oh, okay, never mind. Oh, wait, never mind. They kind of look like Bitmojis. Oh, I thought they were gonna be like anime. They ended up looking like those fucking Snapchat characters.
What's done is done.
Yeah, they look like little Subway Surfer dudes. Oh. Make them little anime. Robot. I hate walls! That was crazy. Bear! Eat fish! I did not know that was a character. I forgot about that guy. Fish Rocket. Not the Xbox Live avatars. Unfortunately so. Dude, when are they gonna say Xenoblade? Man. Ultimate Edition. It's gold. Yeah. What the fuck? I like that one.
There you have it. Tekken 8 coming in January 2024. All right, I'm now joined by Shelby Carlton and Dave Swenson from Sledgehammer because on November 10th, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3
my God,
arrives, and
yeah.
today,
Woo.
you guys
Call
will
of
be
Duty.
the first audience in the world to see some raw, real gameplay from the campaign. Dave, Shelby, welcome to Gamescom. What can you tell us about Modern Warfare 3? Dave?
Well, we rushed this one out.
It's awesome to be here. Modern Warfare 3 this year is the complete
Modern
package.
Warfare.
We're shipping 16 multiplayer maps
Whoa.
all from the original Modern Warfare 2. These maps have been modernized with new gameplay.
Wait, from Modern Warfare 2?
We also have open world zombies. This is our largest zombies. Yeah.
Open what?
This is our largest zombies.
Why didn't you do that for Modern
ever,
Warfare
and for
2?
the
Wait,
first
wait,
time,
hold
it's
on.
set in the Modern Warfare universe. And of
Open
course,
world zombies.
This year we are bringing a huge innovation to the Call of Duty campaign.
16 maps modernized from the original Modern Warfare 2 in Modern Warfare 3.
What is the storyline?
This is insanely incredible marketing.
So for the first time for
Yo,
Call of Duty
Guarana
this year,
Juice
we're
Boy,
doing a
when's
direct
Flycom?
you know,
You
Modern
missed it. It was
Warfare
last
2, they
week.
asked a
Yo, thank you
lot
for the 5
of
months.
interesting questions in their story, And Sledgehammer Games is so
Open
excited
world
to work
zombies.
with Infinity Ward on the campaign to answer some of those questions and to bring you Modern Warfare 3. And one of those answers, he's standing right behind you. Yeah. He is Makarov. He is our infamous antagonist. He is cold, he is calculated, and he is trying to bring the world to the brink of war, but not if Task Force 141 has anything to say about it. So we are just so excited to get this campaign into the players' hands.
All right, well, we are going to see a playthrough of a campaign level, but first, Dave, I want to talk about something new you're doing, open combat missions. What are those?
What?
So Call of Duty is known for epic cinematic stories, as Shelby talked about.
Yeah.
And this year in Modern Warfare 3,
Epic.
we're introducing a new innovation to the Call of Duty campaign.
Thank you for your
It's gonna allow
service.
players to interact with that story like never before. We call them open combat missions. Open combat missions are player directed. They allow the audience to play the game the way they want to play it. So if you're like me and you like stealth, you can go in quiet, you can
Oh,
equip,
so like
suppress
Metal Gear
weapons,
5
complete
from
all
like
the
10 years
objectives
ago.
without the enemies
That's
ever
pretty
knowing you
cool.
were there. But if you want to go in loud, you can strap on armor plates, you can go and hit the enemy head on, and open combat missions will support it. You can leverage vehicles, you can leverage tactical
Yeah, that's what I was thinking,
vehicles, you
Solid.
can
I was
even
like,
make your favorite
okay.
kill streaks in campaign.
I like how they have a name for it.
Combat
Open.
missions are really important to our campaign
Open
story.
combat.
They're going to work seamlessly with those epic cinematic missions that Call of Duty fans know and love. And tonight we want to show you an exclusive first look at one of these epic cinematic missions.
This guy's got to stop saying
set it up
epic.
for us, Shelby. What are we going to see? This is the
melting my
start of the
brain.
game almost, right?
Innovation.
This is a sneak peek of the
We've
very
innovated with
first
this one.
level of Modern Warfare 3. This is called Operation
No, I support it.
627.
All right,
Operation
check it out. Here you
627
go.
by
Call of Duty.
Tactical
Dave's
Team
gone
141
first. Thanks, guys.
on Modern Warfare 3, featuring maps from Modern Warfare 2, the original games, and Subway Surfer. Submarine Surfer. Think about that shit, huh? Put that in your blunt and smoke it. Think about it. Imagine it just implodes. That would be epic. Oh, oxygen. This is pretty epic so far. Cold and calculated protagonist. Actual gameplay footage?
Clear. Heading to surface.
That makes sense, Giraffe.
Eyes on target. Phase 1 complete. Charlie copies. We're set. Roger that. Moving to phase 2. Patrol boat 2 o'clock. Get under.
Was that? Please don't tell me that was it. Bro, I didn't even... Okay, never mind. Okay, okay. No, there's more. There's more. That would have been a crazy place to end it. Okay, things are gonna get a little crazy. Enter through the pipe. Yo, they're gonna enter through the pipe with the ladder. They press square to brace. Oh, never mind. They're using a line launcher. That's pretty cool. This is the intro to Metal Gear Solid 1. They're innovating, okay? Let them innovate. This has never been done before. Mods, clean the chat up. Whoa, that was pretty cool. Shot that guy. He's still alive, though. He's dead now.
All teams, Alpha's in. How copy? Solid. Relay went clear. Moving to Mark DZ.
Oh my god, they're hiding a Metal Gear in here. Wait, they're on Shadow Moses Island? This is Shadow Moses. Yeah, this can't be a coincidence that they're just taking all this shit from Metal Gear. They're innovating.
DZ clear. 3-1, kill the leg. Alpha to Bravo 1.
Hideo Kojima.
With IR, confirm visual.
Almost drowned in the ocean, so I swam through a pipe. I literally thought this was Shadow Moses Island before the Modern Warfare title card. Yeah, seriously. Well, they're also using like the blue, you know, the whole blue vibe on top of that.
Bravo's on deck, pushing up. Alpha to Charlie, you set? Affirmative. All teams green to go in phase 2.
Dude, if Gray Fox shows up, I'm gonna squee. It ate my Kojima. No, it didn't. He showed up. He was just very, very quiet.
Loading interior.
This is still COD or a different game now? This is still COD. This is still Modern Warfare 3. Cinematic Epic Campaign. Bro, this helicopter's been taking off for 10 minutes now.
Nods off.
Oh, he's gone.
Be advised.
It's no longer Shadow Moses.
Movement in the courtyard. Looks like a prisoner transfer. Not okay. On me. Hold up here. All teams, Alpha's in position. Copy. Bravo set. Charlie, good to go. Roger. Fire in the hole. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Execute.
What the hell?
They're taking the bait. Light them up.
Light them up. I love scripted set pieces. Yes, Call of Duty fans love these epic moments. You really feel like you're killing these people on a secret mission. It's what gamers need.
Hatchway, on me. Move. Pop the hatch.
It really makes you feel like a war criminal. I'm actually surprised people still play the single player of these games.
Bravo. Alpha's in the tunnels. What's your status? Outside the control room. Waiting on you. Copy. At the gate. Stand by.
Damn, this is really be the whole last mission, man. I hope they show the credits too. I love games financed by the US military. I genuinely believe Call of Duty has caused so many people to enlist. They're like, you're telling me I can shoot these people and get paid for it? And my wife will leave me?
Kick off the riot. Roger.
Hey, don't shoot Pitbull. Recruiters go to high schools asking kids if they play COD. I believe that. 100% my nephew's into the military because of it. Jeez. Actually indoctrinated. Through some mid-ass fucking FPS games.
Alpha 1 to Bravo 1. Open 55C. Check.
You get to use the same Xbox controllers to fly real drones to bomb real people, so you know the controls. Dude, they got this shit figured out. Yeah, early Call of Duty is good, absolutely. Well, not super early, but you know, there's a sweet spot. But it's been ass for the last like 10 years. Games were only good when I played them. Old good, new stinky. Stinky poo-poo. I'm just saying, if this game was good, why are they advertising that all their maps are redesigns of old maps from the good games? Checkmate, atheists. Who's sitting there at Gamescom on the edge of their seat right now? Probably the fucking... the rabbi kid waiting to come up on stage once again. Waiting for his turn. How the hell did the door turn into a title card? That's crazy. Hey, that's 2 days before my birthday. Guys, should I... guys, you know what to get me for my birthday. You know I love Call of Duty.
Modern Warfare 3 details and gameplay when
John Military.
Next, the premier showcase event for Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer, Call of Duty Mobile, and Warzone takes place.
Barack Obama just waiting for the drone gameplay. Jumping up and down.
On October 6th. We have so much more to
Not
share.
the rabbi kid.
An update on Nightingale, the new shared world survival.
Wow, that was actually like 20 minutes of Call of Duty.
After a few years of waiting, it's finally time to find out the early access release date for Steam and Epic Store.
I feel compelled to enlist and serve my country. So Nightingale. This looks pretty. Ooh. Look at these cool designs. Which one was? I'm gonna remember it once I see the gameplay. They showed this us. They showed this to us before.
Sequestered, struck by woe and lacking supplies.
Yeah, it's like survival. I remember this. Oh shit, a video game, yeah. Oh, you get to build! They put graphics into Minecraft. Wait, they got dinosaurs? What the hell?
Regardless of which portal variety you favor.
They put Hearthstone in this?
Realm cards will be necessary.
Man, there'd be too many video games, dude. Like, this looks cool. And I know this would be fun. But I have no urge to play it because there's just so many fucking games. You know what I mean? I feel like most of you guys are like, yeah, this is awesome. I like this stuff. I'm never gonna touch this in my life.
Can fly.
That's just how it be, man.
Steer your steps.
I love early access, open world, share world, procedurally generated first-person survival horror games with RPG elements. Yeah, me too. Finally, something for the Xenoheads in the chat. God damn, I've been waiting for anime women for how many hours now? Yes, this is what we needed. Rex, Mithra, Grand Blue. Finally, I'm paying attention again.
She will utilize
This shit looks pretty cool.
primals and attempt to cast open the gates.
The gameplay looks kind of nutty.
You can tell primal beasts were weapons created by Astrals. Their powers
Is there gacha?
destruction.
The old gods are restless, guys. Yeah, the gameplay looks crazy.
I sense
For JRPG standards.
can't put a finger on what.
Looks very dramatic. Oh my god, it's more ordained! What the hell? Xenoblade, man! Odin! I mean...
Primeval God, I beg your forgiveness.
Wicked hands... How are we supposed to read this shit? Where are the Nopon?
Set in motion can't be stopped.
The source materials a gacha game. I see. This is genius because they made it with the gacha money. And all the people who are going to play this and be like, this is sick. They're going to be funneled into the gacha game. and spend more money. This is fucking genius. I'm buying it.
But you've always been
This looks cool.
I just wanted to say thank you.
It's got graphics. It's got gameplay. It's got a title card. Relink on mobile devices. Oh, it's on PS5 and PS4. Interesting. $900 collector's edition.
Hey everyone at Gamescom.
Yo.
Gina Torres here. I play General Kirkin in Immortals of Avium. She is Jack's mentor.
I hope there's gacha. Yeah, that'd be kind of sick, actually.
She is conflicted about how to win this ever war, but that's all I can say. Let's take a look at the game. It's out today.
What's the game? Oh. What is this? This looks... Oh, I remember this one.
Jack. We're out of time.
Holy crap, she's in the game. EA Originals.
Everyone that can fight already is. And we're still losing.
Movie trailer music. Yeah, an original doesn't sound right together. What happened to EA Sports? EA Big. EE. I had a classmate who was so cracked, like, he got picked up by EA because he was just like insanely good. So a part of me roots for whatever these originals are, because like my classmate's probably working on them. So I won't be playing it, but I hope it doesn't fail. Call it E the way I A. E. Assuming he still works, so true.
That was Immortals of
Zenless Zone Zero. All right, where are my MiHoYo heads? Where are the Hoyo heads in the chat? Time to come out of the woodworks.
Of Zenless Zone Zero. Jenny, welcome to Gamescom. It's great to have you.
This game, they've been putting some swag in it, dude. It's got a lot of personality. They've been doing some cool like advertisement for it.
ZZZ, the next game from the HoYoverse.
Yeah, because I'd be sleeping. No, I'm sorry.
What you brought to Gamescom?
I'm a little excited about this one. First message, Flyhead 7. There's my Hoyo heads. Hungry Pieman. Yeah, but this one actually, it piqued my interest.
Brought one of our newest products with me today, which is Zenless Zone Zero, an urban fantasy APRG.
距离上次我们给大家分享动态已经有1年的时间了。
I mean, they did really well with Honkai Star Rail, so I feel like all their games are going to be pretty good.
这个舞台给大家分享一下我们新的研发中的内容。
So I know it's been a while since we've given you an update on what we've been working on, and that's why I'm particularly happy to be here today.
It's Splatoon core, yeah, it's going to be sick.
On the progress that we've made with this game.
接下来的 PV 会有我们新制作。
To be honest, they all slap. The games are good. They're worldwide phenomenons. They don't flop.
So we've brought a trailer with us, and it shows you some of the urban environment that we've been working on.
I'm excited. I'm excited to see this.
The dynamics of the game.
I just can't play gacha games anymore.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Here you go. Brand new trailer.
If I don't play one gacha game at least once every couple months, I disintegrate, I think. All right, let's see some gameplay. Yeah, look, I love their aesthetics. Have been very interesting. For this game in particular. Hey! Okay. Yeah, look at this. They got all the look at the UI and a shit. Like, it's cool. It's very different than the other ones. They got furries in the game! You guys don't have to reveal yourselves, okay? They got soul hounds! Okay, they got my ass. God damn. Man, this has been the coolest trailer so far, whether you like it or not. Damn. Damn. Is this flying core? That is. It's pretty flying core, yeah. Unfortunately, so.
Interstellar grand journey, and today we're excited to share.
Yeah, sell your soul, sell your body parts for a character.
Provide an update on its PlayStation 5 release.
Wait, what?
The Luofu's reconstruction efforts are ready for inspection.
This is Genshin, right?
Luofu Xuan.
Genshin on PS5? Fly chest. Wait, this isn't Genshin. Wait, this is Genshin? This is Genshin. Is this Genshin? This is Genshin. Wait, no, it isn't. It's Honkai Star Rail. Fuck! I'm actually a fucking fake Hoyo head, dude. They're gonna revoke my card. I couldn't tell if it was like the new Genshin biome, Fontaine or whatever. Dude doesn't know his Genshin. Ah! Me pretending not to know which one's Genshin or Honkai to seem like I'm not a MiHoYo fan. Take his wallet. No. Bro, I've seen this enemy already 100 times. Get a new one. Holy shit. The big Xanax. Shoddy playing Mahjong in the middle of a war. She got blue pilled.
You have nowhere to run.
Dude, that was Dan Huang. Dude, PS5.
Hoyoverse for you. Genshin Impact is nearing its 3-year anniversary, and the game just released.
Okay, now they talk about okay, you gotta come on.
Nation surrounded by water. A brand new concert series coming, hopefully, to a city near you.
Man. Okay, so this is Star Rail. Whoa! Fontaine, fly chest. This is ZZZ. Dude, I remember these moments. Yeah, and then this, and then the ride, and then they're spoiling the bosses. They're spoiling the cool bosses. Hello. Oh damn, they got generational money here.
Seriously, you have a great magician standing right here.
Magician? Geo? Damn, this is crazy. You can swim now. Fish. I didn't know you could swim. That's cool. You. Why did they show people with top hats? Bruh, I already did half this shit. I'm sorry, are the top hat people like... Are they like new? Is that like the Fontaine garb? Genshin concert. Oh, they're coming to New York. All right.
This October, Lords of the Fallen.
I quit mid Sumeru. I'm also mid Sumeru. I'm like early Sumeru. What's this?
Parallel dimension, the Umbral. Here is a first look at the brand new story trailer for Lords of the Fallen.
Lords of the Fallen. That's true. Oh yeah, this one looked neat. I like the designs. That guy looks evil as hell. Yeah, I remember liking this one.
Look upon you with pity, my lost child. For you have been deceived. They brand me evil, a tyrant, and yet I offer you something.
Actually insane, like... The widespread influence of Dark Souls, man.
All the time mankind have had to shape their own destiny. See what they have made of it.
And these designs in particular, not so much the gameplay. Greed!
Suffering. Chaos.
Ouch!
Now you will know darkness, brother.
What the hell's going on?
Are in the presence of a god human. Kneel before me and beg for forgiveness. And remember,
Cool.
you look into the shadows, might be the shadows look back.
Shadows die twice. Oh, Zanga! Sonic jump scare, man. Sonic is back! Woo! Yahoo! Wee! Spin jump, dash, knuckles, tails, a big circle. Amy is back with a different skirt. Big the cat. Wait, where? Become Rocket. Be Metal. Be Clown. Play multiplayer once and never again. Yahoo! But will there be gacha? I hope so. The environments look really pretty. The first game in 400 years without Green Hill Zone. Like, this is it, guys. Sonic has been reborn. Ah, my eyeball.
Looks amazing. October is going to be a very busy month for new releases.
Chris Chan's screeching right now.
Full four-player co-op gameplay in Sonic Superstars.
Chris Chan's still in the fucking electric chair.
All the Sonic news we have for you
What?
tonight, Opening Night Live, because we also have a special update for you.
The Final Horizon.
Sonic Frontiers.
Oh, this is a big day for Emerald. I'm not gonna lie, I thought they stopped updating the game. Pause chat. Whoa, he can turn gold? New story, new playable characters, new challenges. Oh. The Murder of Sonic the Hedgehog was an actual good game. Yeah, I heard it was fun. His eyes are blue.
Hello again.
Hi.
It's so amazing
Jasmine.
being here at Gamescom with all the game devs, publishers,
Kit Kat.
and of course the fans.
Kit Kat. Kit Kat.
Gamescom is the world's
Kit Kat.
largest video game event. Just check out this footage from last year.
Whoa.
There are so many opportunities to celebrate games and connect with your fellow friends. And
I'm actually Feather
earlier,
Teal.
I mentioned the Gamescom cosplay area where you can see amazing game-inspired costume, just like this.
Yo!
Now I'm here with Mochi Dragon, Rainbow Raven,
Is that an Umbreon Pokehunter?
Zaza,
Zaza?
and Saphira.
Hey, yo! Hey, what? Wait.
Mochi
Wait,
Dragon,
what the
can you tell
Wait,
me
what the
how
hell?
to choose a character to cosplay?
For me, there are three things required in order to decide on a cosplay. The first thing is, do I like the game or the media where it's coming from? The second one is, do I enjoy the character design? And the third one is, does it have a little challenge in the cosplay making progress? Like sewing a corset like my princess has here, or imitating bone structure with foam.
And what makes cosplay at Gamescom unique for you?
For me, it's definitely being able to play all of these awesome games in cosplay at the booths of the developers, as well as talking to the producers of the indie games, like having first-hand conversations, and of course the cosplay.
I really want to hear what Zaza has to say.
Thank you so much for sharing your costumes with us, and I wish you a great and wonderful Gamescom. Thank you. Applause.
Can Zaza say something, please?
Before I go, I would like to tell you about the Gamescom event arena. Friday through Sunday, there will be live shows from this stage right here in this hall. Check out creators, gaming events, and esports competitions live from Cologne or tune in online. Join and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch, and be sure.
Yeah, I'll check out my Facebook, man.
Gamescom #2023. Thank you so much, and back to you, Jeff.
Back to you, Jeff.
It's great to have you here.
What was that email we added? Jeff in the house.
Got a first look at
Get
the
Jeff.
First Descendant, a next-generation action looter shooter from Nexon. The cross-play open beta.
Nexon.
September 19th to 25th.
They're gonna swap my ass. Looter shooter from Nexon. That is such a weird thing to think about.
The ancestors. Accept your calling, descendant.
Nexon game? They make games? Yeah, I think this is actually produced by them and not just published, which is crazy. Okay, this game's actually like I've been actually really hyped about this one for a while.
It's so cool.
Yeah, I think I might be playing this on launch day.
To protect the sanctity of this great place.
I don't know. I forgive them. I forgive Nexon. I think they make good games.
Still at risk of extinction. And you are the only chance we have.
I'm just imagining what like fucking pay to win mechanics they have in this. Whoa, hey! You're right, Mike. I'm sorry. I played enough Combat Arms to know not to trust Nexon. This is the spiritual successor. I mean, this looks interesting. This is definitely a game you're just gonna see like randomly one day, like every single streamer playing for like a sponsorship. So you'll see it whether you like it or not.
Good. Everything's fine.
Great.
Funded purely by Vindictus nipple armor.
Tired, but in a good way.
My wallet.
Busy.
He picked up algae?
I'm worried about you.
Another Subnautica?
There was a storm coming.
I told you, I still need time.
Time to what, Stan?
Swim.
Because as far as I can see, you're just treading water.
We're upping the extraction rate. Maximum output.
I don't expect you to understand.
You're not the only one who's suffering.
Why was the photo of the... What, is he real?
I promise.
Under the Waves. Xbox Game Pass.
Right there. On the verge of something special.
Oh, it's already been like an hour plus.
Of being first into great unknowns.
I feel like we're like halfway through, dude. This is crazy. Persona! Sorry. Sorry, I had the fly chest. Exo Chief. Valorant! Wait, on the Xbox? You can play Valorant on the Xbox? That's crazy. Man, my teammate's on the Xbox.
Joining me now,
Fortnite?
Troy Baker, Roger Clark. Julia Brown,
Holy
the
shit.
stars of Fort Solace, which is out today on PlayStation and PC. Guys, welcome to Gamescom. This is so fun. Tell us a bit about this project. What can you tell us?
Oh my God, look at these people. You guys are insane.
Yeah.
Woo! We've been able to talk about this game for a while. I think the thing that I'm most excited about is for people to explore these characters. At the core of this experience
Subway
is
Surfer.
unraveling the mystery of Fort Solace, and you're going to do that by discovering these characters and learning about their stories, and that's, as actors, that's what we throw ourselves into.
And this is a game, Roger, it's an independent game made by a pretty small team.
Yeah, that's all I hear too.
10 people, 2 years, 0 delays. We are very excited to share
0 delays.
the world, Fort Solace today.
Reddit is pogging right now. Games should be more like Fort Solace. No delays. Finished product on launch.
In this day and age.
Take notes, every other game developer.
Cast, for an independent game. Juliet, this is, we know you from a lot of great, film, television work. This game thing, how did you get involved in this project?
Yeah, it's my first ever video game project. So
He
I'm so
looks and
excited.
sounds like Troy Baker.
And to get to work.
I think he
with,
might be
like, two of
AI.
the best in the game world, nonetheless. So I just had to watch these guys and learn.
And you guys did full on, performance capture. We
Yeah,
saw
this
a
is
teaser
if I'm
of your
Jada is a bad presentation. I wouldn't call it bad. It's just like normal. Like this is the norm of like a game presentation.
An independent game, but
Trailers here and there, maybe something a little hype, a bunch of
One of the
bullshit,
best things about working with Troy, I remember
a
coming in for
movie,
lunch and we were
stalling
doing
on
the
something you
vocab,
don't care
and I walked
about, and
into
then
the
more
foyer,
trailers.
And there I see Troy's butthole. The hole is butt made.
When I say we threw ourselves into this, we literally did. And there's a hole in the wall that was made by my butt.
Yes.
Which he signed.
And
And I
Julia, I
sold
know
on eBay.
it's a little mysterious what your role is in this game, right? But we have to play to find out.
So I play Jessica Appleton, who's an engineer working on Fort Solace.
What are they talking about? You know if you played the game, all right? It's clearly someone hasn't played this unreleased video game.
Well, let's get a little
Fort
teaser.
Solace.
As I said, it's out today. Here is the launch trailer for Fort Solace. Thanks so much, guys.
Our pleasure. Thank you, guys.
It's all good behavior. It's all good, man. Nope. Time to see the Troy Baker's butthole.
Senior engineer en route to Fort Solace in the Planum Quadrant, responding to an alarm. Suspected power failure. Await further information.
Recording submitted. Is there no sign of security?
No.
Hey, they got good graphics. I feel like I've seen gameplay of this before. Yeah, they showed it off like last time. Yeah. There's that one like thing we watched where it's just a bunch of space games. And this is one of them. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I like how he was like breathing a lot. Dude, all these games made an Unreal
Next,
Engine.
It's time for the announcement about a new game from Focus Entertainment and Saber, the continuation of the ultimate off-road experience.
What? Now this is what I've been waiting for.
Behind all great discoveries
Pokemon Snap.
lies a journey. One of anticipation.
When is Fire Emblem?
And adaptation.
Who is? I really want to know who the like target audience is.
Of hope.
I mean, Obama.
Each step matters. For every obstacle, there's a solution.
Was Pikmin 4 in Unreal Engine? I thought they had their own like sneaky little Nintendo engines.
For every task.
Breaking Bad. What? Adept. Why does this sound like a Ford ad? Because they're using the same fucking narrator. Drive. Wherever life takes you. It is on Unreal. That's crazy. That's kind of cool. Death Stranding, but cars. Another car?
Motorfest, a vibrant
This is the
open
car
world
section of
welcome to the
Gamescom.
ultimate festival for car lovers.
Motorfest?
Here is the brand new trailer.
Guys, get ready for the fly-in motorathon during Motorfest. Okay, wait, this is kind of funky. A Ubisoft original. Duck ass. The pink LED rims. Look at all these cool luxury cars we'll never drive. Wow! Is this like Simpsons Hit and Run? Put this game into Simpsons Hit and Run terms. Welcome to Motorfest. The world's destination for pollution. You can't kick Marge? No Homer? Cool. Third car game? Maybe?
The Crew Motorfest comes out September 14th, and the brand new Lamborghini Revelto is on the cover and playable. And we have a special O&L announcement for everyone watching between September 14th and 17th.
Anyone in the chat gonna go pick up a Lamborghini Revelto after this stream?
5 hours of gameplay.
You can pre-order it.
All platforms.
Like, not in the game, I mean in real life.
All right, moving
Girl,
on
I won't
with
lie, this
CD
boring as
Projekt
fuck.
Red gearing up for the release of the spy thriller
Okay,
expansion,
now are you Keanu Chungus? Are you guys not entertained?
September 26th, the studio is
Jeff
ready to
Keighley
share a
heard your
new look
cries
at
for
the
something
wide-ranging
interesting,
overhaul mechanics coming to the game.
and Keanu Chungus is about to appear, I think. He's not there? Oh! Sandwich maker with the... Okay, now, you know what? This is pretty interesting. This is pretty interesting. It just lacks my stream. Dude, I need a new GPU. Hey, yo, Sandwich maker, thank you for the 5-pack. Let's go.
Welcome to Dogtown.
Dogtown? I like that Cyberpunk anime. It's just like the anime.
You know what to do.
Wait, they forgot about Keanu.
Hands, thinking of buying some iron.
The logical choice.
I think this game is like good now. So this is like epic. I'm gonna play it once everything is out, everything's ironed out, it's epic and awesome, katana time. And then I'll be like, oh, this is pretty cool. Brain? You can get brain in this game?
Not a bad idea. Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, in like 5 years. I'm okay with waiting that long. I'll wait until it's good, like epically good. Whoa. The people who bought like the Cyberpunk Secret Lab chairs pogging right now. They can finally take it out of their cellar. Yo. I played last year when I upgraded my GPU. The game nowadays is actually pretty damn good. Yeah, that's what I've been hearing from people. I mean, when I knew the game came out all like buggy and like shitty, I'm like, it's gonna be good eventually. They put too many eggs in this basket to like give up on it.
Premium work fee. I'm closing the gig and sending you a little bonus. Something that
Ooh, what that? Was that a 8-wheeler?
someone dispatched a hunter. Good luck.
Dude, this is just like Motorfest. Vehicle combat? Okay. What is it? What do we? Oh. Why? Okay, that wasn't me, man. That was the trailer.
All nearby units. We got a situation in Watson. Roger, dispatch. We're on our way.
My stock in CD Projekt Red skyrocketing right now. Yeah, CD Projekt Red, they're like, we
Let me put it this way.
are not crunching our employees. Don't look into it. Hard enemy equals more HP design. I just hope there's like fun stuff to do like around the place. You know what I mean? Like, I like stuff just to fuck around with. Like just drive around somewhere. Do a little side quest.
You will hear from me soon. This I guarantee you.
Who was that? Phantom Liberty. Okay. All right. Now that was pretty exciting. You got it, right, guys?
A little more about what we've just seen is Yulia.
Oh, we're gonna talk more about it.
Designer from CD Projekt Red. You're like, welcome to Gamescom.
Imagine she has like bags under her eyes.
Excited to be here today.
Well, we're excited to get in.
They made sure she had enough coffee.
Because there are a lot of upgrades coming. We just saw.
Yo, what's up, Rat of Wisdom?
Changes that are coming to Phantom Liberty.
How you doing, Chief?
Where do we even start?
So basically, we've prepared a major overhaul of the gameplay experience. So for example, with our absolutely redesigned perks system, we prepared
Makeup and
many
coffee.
cool play styles and many cool abilities to try out. For example, deflecting bullets with your katana, or just
Oh my God, it's like
robbing
Metal
your
Gear
enemy and
Rising.
throwing that enemy around. And on top of that all, we also prepared a new relic tree that will allow for to
I like how we're just
empower
talking about
your
like
cyber
like what
work
we
even
just saw.
further.
It seems like players, can even further customize their playstyle to suit their taste. We also saw in that video a lot about vehicles and how vehicular combat is even being upgraded, right?
Exactly right. So vehicle combat is a massive addition.
All
Players
Polish
now
people
will
are
be able
tired.
to shoot their guns while driving.
Dude,
They will
just
be
get
able
some
to
gamer subs.
use molten
Code
weapons
Flyan,
like,
champ.
and rockets. And on
I'm
top
kidding,
of
that's
that
not
all,
real.
They also will be able to take remotely control
I wish it
over
was.
vehicles. So for example, crash
That's a cool
them
car.
or into like some group of enemies.
The We're Sorry update? No, they did plenty of We're Sorry updates.
Yeah, one more thing is that car chases.
This is
are
a
gonna
bonus
be,
update.
A new renewed experience with the revamped police system.
Okay. Well, it seems like you're upgrading, you said, across the board with a bunch of different things. And thank you so much for coming out to tell us about it. Like the trailer showed, I know you have something else to announce, though, that wasn't in the trailer, right?
Exactly right. So I'm really happy to announce that a lot of what we've just seen in the trailer will also be coming to Cyberpunk base game for free for current gen consoles and PC.
There you go. Game good, even better.
2.0 update.
Dude, they got the M1 chip in there.
All right. Well, I cannot wait to check it out next month. Thank you so much, Yulia, for joining us here at Gamescom. Yulia.
You get such a cool Gamer Subs cup design, which I wouldn't buy because I live in the UK. Do they not ship to the UK?
Fantasy strategy game Stormgate and a first look.
Maybe there's a UK Gamer Subs, like Gamer
Stormgate
drinks.
is the spiritual successor to classic real-time strategy games like Warcraft 3
Why
and
does
StarCraft 2.
Frost Giant? Oh, that's why.
Stormgate will feature highly asymmetric armies fighting for control of Earth's future.
I love this narration.
Today we have an early look at our second faction, the
Yo!
Infernals live
Are they working
by
in-
the code of victory at any cost.
Was that
They
Maya?
have a powerful advantage.
And
Shroud,
Photoshop.
Fields of dark magic that strengthen their armies. The lowliest infernal units are the worker imps. You might think they're cute.
Can't wait to go sweaty gamer on this. Stormgate. So it's like StarCraft. I feel like he literally just said that, but
they unleash, Infernals will sacrifice everything, including themselves, to emerge victorious. On the music front, the Chainsmokers are
No
inviting us
cars.
on our soundtrack. We're working with composers like Frank Klepacki.
super expensive shipping. Oh, I see.
We'll share more.
It's a bunch of
later this
ex
year,
StarCraft 2
including
devs.
some of the
Oh,
friends we
cool.
brought in to lend their voices
They're doing their
to
own
our
thing.
co-op
That's
campaign.
you always love to see that. I've never been like much of a StarCraft person. I've never really played it.
Gamescom always strives to help our environment, and all of you can help make a change with a donation to the Gamescom Forest.
The energy in this man is astoundingly high. We're gonna have demons that will do anything to win.
From playing for the planet. Lisa?
I don't know. My brain is so raw. I thought that's at Fortnite. Anybody else? Am I fucked up in the head? I thought I saw Fortnite somewhere in there. Oh, what's going on, man?
Continues to make steps to make it more sustainable.
I'm fucked, man.
This is being done through the Gamescom Goes Green initiative, as well as by partnering with us.
I'm sorry.
Through Playing for
Yo,
the
what's up,
Planet,
Taffy?
The United Nations has been working with the game
Rabbids!
to inspire millions of players around the world to learn more.
Dude,
about
I remember
the
you can do the Mario hurdle, and like one day it was a song from Mario and Rabbids, the new game. Like, how the fuck were we supposed to guess that shit?
Or an indie developer, all of us can and should
Subway!
play a part. What matters most is that you start somewhere and collaborate, because time is of the essence. And if we don't start now, then when? For those of you who play games, many of you are already raising the bar by asking game
I love when like
makers
the
to step
Subway
up
Surfer
and
redeem
act on
gets to the like
values that
end
are
of the
important to
mission.
you.
Okay, there we go.
Keep on asking, whether it's for more green content or greater energy efficiency, because your voice counts. For this year's Green Studio of the Year award, we have been looking for bold, system-changing, innovative, and creative ways to tackle the climate crisis, and all nominees this year have done an amazing job. The way we win on climate change is to stop emissions from happening in the first place, and that is exactly
Why are we giving
what
awards?
this
Yeah, I
year's
thought the
award
award show
winner
was
is
like on
actively
Friday or
trying
some
to
shit.
do. The nominees for the Green Studio of the Year, based
They
on
have to do this
companies
because
that
like
have
half the
submitted
world is like
applications,
on fire right
are
now.
Frontier,
This eases the pain of gamers.
and Xbox.
We can be
And
like,
this
oh,
year's
there's a lot of
winner
green
is
here. Okay, the planet should be fine
And
soon.
here to accept the award is Phil Spencer. The
I think
head of
Nintendo
Xbox.
should win. Phil Spencer, Xbox! I love this dude. Definitely not a robot. Definitely a real human.
I'm accepting this award on behalf of an
I love like Phil Spencer like
talented
handshaking
team
like Yoshi
at
P.
Xbox that has worked very hard to put tools in the hands of developers.
Okay, this is kind of weird, right? Like, the green award goes to the green fucking platform.
We do this so that we can
This
all
is the
play
greenest console in all of current gen. It's Xbox.
Thank you very much.
Xbox is green as hell. They have like the most carbon emissions. Really green.
Congratulations to
One of
Phil
the
and
greenest.
Xbox. Great to have that award in the show.
Greenwashing.
Right now, here with Judd Cobbler, the founder and CEO of 11th Hour Games. Judd, this is a big moment for you guys. ARPGs have had an incredible year.
Blues Console Award. Red Console Award.
And we're excited to tell your story. So tell us a bit about the last epoch.
What color's PC gaming?
Jeff, thanks so much for having me.
Is that also blue?
First off, before last epoch, I was not in the games industry.
I love
was
his
just a
gold
diehard
hat.
action RPG player that dreamed of
Do you think
creating a
everyone at the
community-made
company has to wear that hat?
action RPG.
Like a little
With the help
uniform?
of our community and Kickstarter, we've been able to make that happen.
If he gives me $100,
Last
I'll swap
epoch,
out my hat with that
every
hat
single
forever.
Skill in the game has its own
Yes.
transformative skill tree. We have 119 skills. in the
PC
game
is
so
yellow.
far, and we're adding more every single patch. We also have an awesome deterministic skill system, deep and interesting.
There's
gameplay,
so much
and multiple
debris
in-game
flying in right
systems
now.
for endless
So many
playability.
screens.
And Jeff, tonight we're excited to announce our newest class.
What?
The Rune Master. The Rune Master has a unique mechanic where he's able to invoke
Rune
infinite
Master!
abilities with a single button press, making it super exciting and fun to experiment and find your perfect play style. And the Rune Master is going to be joining us September 7th, and we'll be
Get ready,
available
guys.
here
This is going to
all
be
week
big.
at Gamescom.
Amazing. Well, this is such a great story of this game. I encourage you to check it out. And right now,
I don't
we
even
got
know
a
what this
first look
is.
At the Rune Master. Thanks, Judd. Appreciate it.
Magician. Did they call them magician instead?
5 years ago, Last Epoch was a community dream. What if we,
Reddit!
the players, could band together to make the next great ARPG? What would that game look like? Lots of character classes to choose from. Every single skill would have its own build-defining skill tree.
A game made by
Recently, the game would
Reddit.
be
It
just
must be
It would be
good.
updated for years so we could play forever.
What if Redditors got to decide what was good in a video game? This is it.
Epoch makes crafting and finding items super rewarding.
Again, it's genius. I think this is the most innovation we've seen in a trade system in an ARPG in at least a decade.
Rune Master. We've invented trading.
A really cool game. Speaking of cool games, please welcome the winner of Best Mobile Game last year at the Game Awards.
Oh, fucking Marvel Snap. Ah. This guy's energy is like insane, dude.
I know we won mobile game.
This guy would be a crazy streamer.
We just finished rebuilding the entire game to run natively.
Like, imagine Heo's hyping up Xenoblade, dude.
It looks insane.
Ah!
I'm here to tell you that, like, literally just like 5 minutes ago, we launched the game on Steam.
Okay, it's on Steam, rebuilt. Yes.
Who wants to play Marvel Snap on Steam with me? I want to play Spider-Man.
30 minutes of ONL tonight. There's a special Twitch drop, a Spider-Man variant for Marvel Snap. And right now, we've got an exclusive
Did I
cinematic to
pre-watch
show you for
this?
Snap. Check it out. Thanks, Ben.
Holy shit. Dude, the real gameplay graphics. He's 1 second from snapping. I mean, this is a cool animation. You gotta make a card game as hype as possible, like, with all this shit. Because, like, imagine they're just showing, like, just a bunch of cards being on the screen. Ah, hell nah, is that Deadpool? That is Deadpool. Sailor Moon reference. You guys are gonna be like, actually, that's Sailor Squirrel. That's actually a real sailor that they put into Marvel during the multiverse merge. You idiot. Available on Steam now, guys.
Ready to get
I love anime. What is this? Is this did we not already have a Game Pass ad?
We have a lot to talk about.
Wait, oh, PC Game Pass. My bad. Who the hell is subscribing for Valorant? What? Wait, what? It's free. It's free. What do you mean? Just fucking download the game. What is your Valorant? I don't understand. Yo! This is coming out in like a fucking 2 days. Hey! I can't wait, dude. I can't wait. This shit gonna be crazy. Finally, something like a good game on the goddamn screen.
Augmented human C4621 has awakened.
Oh yeah, you get all the agents for free. Right. Oh, this shit looks so cool. Oh my god.
Call sign Raven. Priority subject for termination. High on the list.
You ready to climb the wall?
Finally a good game.
A call response from the generator.
Why hide behind?
It's gonna be. I just know it's gonna be insane, man.
Watch out.
Let's see how far they can fly on borrowed wings.
Dude, big Xenoblade X vibes. Dude, I promise you, I didn't even look into the chat to see that message. Dude, this is why the Fleo podcast is gonna be crazy.
Memories form like scars.
Ah!
Cut deep enough. And they'll never fade.
Yeah, they're gonna think it's Dark Souls.
Or be forgiven. I ran. I begged. I stole. But I survived.
Nexon? Dude, what the? They be making games. They be stabbing people. This is how it feels every time my 90-day cash shop accessories expire in MapleStory. Eminem. This is Skepta's brother.
It doesn't matter who tries to stop me. I'll cut my own path through. I'll
Jesus.
fight until I stand in the land of salvation.
How the hell are you cutting through stone like that? What the fuck? Warhaven, War Thunder, Warframe. They gotta stop putting war in games, dude. End war now.
That was Warhaven, and the Melee multiplayer PvP game will hit Steam Early Access on September 21st.
That's so profound, Gio. You're so
excited
true.
To welcome to Gamescom the creator of Mortal Kombat.
It's called Mortal Kombat 1, but it's actually not the first game, so
even more news on MK1,
what the spark is up with
which
that?
ships in just a month.
Merp.
Please join me in welcoming to ONL Ed Boon.
It's me, Mortal Kombat.
Hello, Ed.
Mortal. That one is an L.
Well, we had a lot of fun with you at Summer Game Fest revealing the first game.
John Combat.
And I gotta say, every trailer you drop just gets crazier and crazier. So, what did you bring to Gamescom?
Mortal Kombat.
Brought another, probably our craziest trailer of all. You know, since we introduced the gameplay at Summer Game Fest, we couldn't believe the reaction.
They do. Wait, they got a Homelander.
They've actually got their hands on the game, which has become even more exciting.
Yeah. Wait, yeah. This is the game that had all the skins from that.
Cameo characters. It's been a riot. But this trailer we have
From the
here
boys.
should give you an even better idea of just how
Homelander and Omni-Man. They have Leia and Omni in this game?
I gotta say, this
with or without
such
the
a great
scarf?
asset. You guys are gonna enjoy it. Here it is, Mortal Kombat 1, the brand new trailer.
Oh, they're actual characters? Wait, I thought it was skins. That's crazy.
And intoxicating to Earthrealmers. While our realms are at peace, there are outworld.
They don't have John Cena.
To be at war.
Do they have John Cena?
General Shao.
Victor of the Tavarian War, conqueror of the Quatan Plains. All of Outworld is grateful for his service.
I feel like it's unfair to be fighting with a battle axe. Oh, Jesus.
You would consign us to endless war.
Better that than be Liu Kang's
Lapdog. I voiced that guy. I just have range.
Do not forget that, General.
I like the hair attacks. No, I voiced them? No, you didn't! yeah, how are they gonna fit these characters into the lore? And then John Cena showed up. And then Homelander drank breast milk or something. I forget. I never watched the show.
Late husband's legacy to continue the tournament that he founded with Lord Liu Kang.
Empress Sindel.
Dude, he's the guy from that one clip.
Earthrealm's champion is Raiden.
He's Dr. Han.
Is it me?
What's up, Fishing Dave? Why have the stiffest animations? I just... Because they have to balance the realism, I don't know.
Embodying the very best qualities of Earthrealm's people.
I am ready, Your Majesty. Whom shall I face?
I just haven't played a Mortal Kombat game in so long. Like, I don't know if the fighting is actually fun. Ouch!
We will destroy your champion, Liu Kang. He will taste no victory.
Do they have a move where you like chop his head off? Oh! He used the axe against him. Okay. No! That was his neck. Okay. Were they not indoors? Okay. Should I know who this like centaur guy is? What a fucking goofy character. Oh, what the? What? There's so many things we could say there. I'm just not gonna do that. Me pulling up to Shotty's crib, being like, "Wait, what the? Ew, what the fuck is it?
Who's your queen?
Jesus, what the? Okay, okay, I'll say it. This is a little excessive. That was a little excessive. I don't know. I don't know if that's really practical. I don't know if that's practical combat. Might be Bornal, though. Sorry, who did they tease at the end there? Fuck, I wasn't looking.
All right, time for a tonal
Was it the
shift.
Homelander people again?
Era History Untold is making its first event appearance this week at Gamescom.
The boys.
This turn-based grand strategy game is about building and leading a nation throughout alternative history.
How do you follow
Here
that,
is
dude?
a
How do you
first
follow
look.
this dude fucking being on like his fucking ass out, getting his legs ripped off, with his fucking dick and balls out? How do you top this? The game. They got a rainbow? Pride. Flying prides in the chat. Finally, a use. What's going on? They got windmills?
Let's go back to the beginning.
Chills.
There. The world untouched.
God, dude. I've almost been live for 2 hours, man. This Gamescom is fucking...
No history yet.
They got games, man. They got games.
Waiting to be led
They got a lot of
somewhere
games.
extraordinary by you.
Sappho. It's... What? That's an awesome name. I love how like they were posing like they were like Street Fighter 6 characters. Why was George Washington like, I got wooden teeth? They like zoom in on his face. He goes, gays run the world. Yes. Bro building his aqueduct. He's gonna show Yukin their asses. Love my George players. They're so, yeah, they're so honest.
Change the world. One thing is certain.
What I would do to topple over that Eiffel Tower. It's your world now. Choose your character. Oh, it's on the PC Game Pass.
Blizzard has had a long history here.
They
at
gentrified the
Gamescom.
pyramids.
Its latest game, Diablo 4, it arrived in June and will be supported for years to come with seasonal content. Their first season of The Malignant is now underway, but in a bit of a surprise, we're now about to share with you the first news on the next season coming this fall.
Sorry, I heard Malignant.
It started small. Nameless people.
Ooh, that's spooky. If you look like that, you gotta go to the doctor. Blizzard did this? Yeah, this looks like a Diablo like cinematic.
Ignored the killings.
The church ignored the killings?
Mounted like the bodies.
Ouch!
And the brave fought to end the corruption.
They gotta stop showing this guy.
They were too late.
They said that it is, dude. I checked out, man. I'm trying my best out here, man. Ah! FNAF? Never mind. I'm. What the fuck? The hell's going? He got them teeth.
I have fought this plague a long time. We need something different. A
Damn, look at the cheekbones.
with all of their strengths and none of our weaknesses. Someone unexpected.
This is why this is 18 plus, guys. This shit's crazy.
And they'll never see you coming.
What? Gameplay. Okay, this is literally just Diablo 4 engine. Why is the frame rate all fucked up?
In the realm of darkness, we are the beacon of light. Let us
Ain't that just the barbarian?
the hearts of the damned. To
I don't know what I don't know.
Gamescom,
Oh,
please
that is
welcome
Diablo
actress and
4.
Producer Gemma Chan, who is voicing the role of Vampire Hunter
Wait.
Eris in the Season of the Blood, and the general manager of the Diablo
Dude, this
franchise
just came out.
at Blizzard, Rod Ferguson. Welcome to Gamescom.
There's already like
Hi,
DLC.
everyone. Gemma, this is so exciting to have you here. Welcome to the video game world. I know this is your first video game, right?
It is. Thank you for having me. It is my first video game. I have always appreciated
Season
power storytelling
2.
in all its different forms, and
Didn't
in
season
some
1 like
ways,
just start
video
though?
games are very much like interactive cinema now. So I was so excited to. Play
They're
this
poor. They need the
character,
money.
and
True. They need to.
Thank you for inviting me into the world of Sanctuary.
Wasn't it like if you like all the currency you get from the battle pass,
Yeah, this is
you can't
exciting.
even buy
Season,
one item
2
from the
is
store?
becoming, as you said, in October. What can you tell us about the character that
They
you're playing?
don't even give you enough.
So Eris is a seasoned vampire hunter.
Yeah,
She's
Blizzard
going to
fucking
be your
totaled
badass
Overwatch. It's over.
warrior companion as you fight your way through the.
I thought they were
perils of
working on a new
Sanctuary.
IP, but
She's
yeah.
complex. She's seen quite a bit of horror in her lifetime. So initially, she comes across as a little bit cold and jaded. But in a
Joverwatch.
fight,
When will
she
this end? We
definitely
are
have your
just
back.
through the first chapter of this. It's a 10-chapter presentation.
Rod, tell us a bit about what we can expect
Stay tuned.
from this new Diablo season in October.
Well, Jeff, you know, Diablo is about creating that ultimate power fantasy. And obviously, a lot of people have been doing it. We have over 12 million players and 1.3 billion hours played so far. And I just want to take a second to say thank you. We're so appreciative of their enthusiasm and all the player feedback. It's going to help us.
This is Snyder Part 1.
Now, for our 32nd season, Season of Blood, you get to join Eris as a vampire hunter, but not just any normal
The IP,
vampire
the
hunter.
idea that will save Blizzard. Split Overwatch. Nintendo hire this man.
A vampire that hunts
No.
vampires and ultimately tracks down
Sony's
and
already
faces
doing
off with the big
Split
bad
Overwatch.
vampire lord. Now,
I forget what their
that's
game was
season
called
2,
though.
and that's October,
They're probably
so
going
we
to
still
show
have
it.
Lots of time to jump into season 1, the season of Malignant. So you know, seasons are a great time to start with Diablo because we all.
I have bad news. They haven't said the word Xenoblade yet.
Amazing. All right. Well, thank you both for making the trek here to Gamescom in Germany, and we can't wait to meet more Eris and hear more in October. Fantastic, Gemma, Rod. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Foam Star.
Now it's time
Foam
for
Stars.
another world premiere. This one is a European.
A world
game
premiere?
about Hope, love, friendship, and robots.
Robots. You have my interest piqued, good sir.
By disinformation,
Sorry.
where danger lurks around every turn.
Border.
Misfits embark on a fateful road.
Chicago. They're going to Chicago? Yeah, that looks about right.
We're done. Oh, we're just getting started, dude.
What is this music?
I believe the kids call it K-pop music.
Just K-pop.
Turn it down.
Leave my music alone. Shut the hell up.
Words have
Why did they
power.
play the sound effect that happens when you get flashbanged?
You ready for this? Stand still.
Words can bring people together and tear them apart. But if words hold so much power,
He has no respect for you. She's right.
the question is,
Pulls out gun. Pulls out spork.
what do you
Dustborn.
My
Okay.
was better than yours.
That's pretty cool. Mario. I'm sorry, I just. What's going on? This is like looking at a dancing fruit video. Like this looks cute. Who is this little guy? What is he up to? Who's fucking? What's happening? What the? Someone just got flashed. This is like Smiling Friends core. Oh, what the fuck? Thank goodness you're here. Woo! I don't really know what that was. LSG the
Really
game.
Fun indie game. Thank goodness you're here. And now to completely shift the tone again, I'm here with Sam Lake, who's going to take us to a very dark place with Alan Wake 2.
Alan
Sam,
Wake.
Welcome to Gamescom. This game is coming out in October.
Alan
and
woke up.
We've had so much fun. We announced this a few years ago at the
They-
Game
they
Awards
made
at Summer
Alan
Game
woke
Fest. We met
angry
Saga
face.
Henderson and heard a little bit of her side of the story. But
Alan
everyone's been
Wake
asking
Part
me, and I
2.
certainly expect you. What
Zack
about
Snyder's
Alan's story? What
back.
can you tell
When
us
will he
about,
wake up?
What it's like to play as him tonight?
No,
I think
it's
finally
Alan
time to
Wake because
answer
the
that
entire
question.
game is.
Thank you for
It's held
having
during
us.
like a wake.
Jeff. Yes, finally.
It's not that he's waking up. Do you understand?
To show our title character Alan Wake and he's
I made that up.
struggled to escape the nightmare.
Apparently, the first game is
of the
good.
dark place where he's
According
been
to Jackson
for the
Tucker
last
from ex Super
13
Mega
years,
employee.
Ever since the first Alan Wake game.
It's a long time. We've been waiting a
Yep,
long time
yep.
to play another one. We're going to see
Yeah, it's been like
some
fucking 20
footage here,
years.
and I know you're actually using live action as well in it, right? And it's going to be kind of really blended together in a cool way.
Yeah, the dark place is a dream reality, and it keeps drawing from Alan's mind, his thoughts, his fears, his writing, and he comes from New York City, and for years he has written crime fiction set in New York City. So
Imagine
now
if it was like he was
Dark
writing
Place
fan fiction. That
takes the shape of a
that would be an
nightmare in
interesting
New York
game.
City. And
Like his fan
we have
fictions were
used
coming to
different
life in front of him.
mediums in our experience,
And then he gets, like, put in
our
prison.
Games for storytelling, live action for sure. This time around, we've integrated live action seamlessly into the experience to show the dreamlike nature of the dark place.
This game, I cannot wait. We don't have to wait too long. It's coming in October, but let's take a look
Thanks,
now
Solid.
at the brand new trailer for Alan Wake 2. Sam, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here we go.
In a horror story, they're only victims.
Ooh, that's a lot of
and
green.
monsters. And the trick is not to end up as either. But trapped by the genre, we're all ripped to pieces along the way. No!
John Wake. Okay, +2. That was at least a +2.
And this on the show. He's here to talk about his latest book.
Oh yeah, the live action.
Initiation tells a story
Oh
of
god, I know what happens here.
Alan Wake, who is trapped in a nightmare, desperately trying to
What
find
happens when you put somebody
has forgotten he's with
in society?
Did you write these pages, Mr. Wake?
I'm trying to remember it.
You're the killer.
What's up, Vartamore?
No! You've got the wrong.
You get what you fucking deserve.
It's my fault. It got out.
Wake has a double. Where is he now?
I don't want to be in the story. Just write me out of the story.
I mean, I kind of like that element of like just having it real life and in the game. Because you're already using the actors for like the, you know, the in-game model. Like that's kind of cool. I don't think I've really seen that been done before. You die in the story, you die in your fanfic.
That looks absolutely amazing.
Amazing!
And that's going to do it for Opening Night Live.
What?
We have so many amazing games coming this fall. I want to thank all of you for being here tonight.
They didn't say Xenoblade.
For co-hosting.
Man.
And I got to say, we got a lot of great games coming up in the next few months, so I hope you enjoy.
Let's see if anyone shows up on stage, I guess.
For what's going to be quite a debate about Game of the Year. And speaking of the Game of the Year, I'm happy to announce tonight that the Game Awards will be returning live this December. We've got a date for you.
December?
Thursday, December 7th. The show will be streaming live everywhere. It is our 10th show.
We will
I
be
can't
there.
believe We've been doing it for 10 years.
We will be there.
Live at the Peacock Theater in LA on Thursday, December 7th. I hope to see you then. It's going to be a very, very special show. Thanks again for watching Gamescom Opening Night Live. We'll see you again next year. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody. All right, well, that was 2 hours. All right, man. Let me pay out the prediction, and then let me get the fuck out of here. Nobody's storming the stage. Security's doing something. That's good. Choose outcome. 94% said no. Fuck. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you tomorrow morning for the fly-in stream. I'll see you guys next year.
Hideo Kojima.
Bye.